Conveniently situated within walking distance of both the High Street and Southend Central Station is this stunning contemporary two-bedroom apartment, set in a safe and secure development. Modern and well presented throughout, it's located on the first floor and benefits from a secure entry phone system. From the hallway is the bright and spacious lounge. There's a smart wood effect floor and a striking feature wall, creating a contemporary feel, whilst floor-to-ceiling windows flood the room with natural light. It opens into the modern kitchen, which is fitted with a range of wood units and contrasting worktops, and offers plenty of space for appliances. The master bedroom is well proportioned and bright, decorated in vibrant modern tones, adding to the contemporary feel. This property also benefits from a second bedroom, which could be used as a guest room or a separate study. Plus, there's a modern shower room featuring a white suite with chrome fitments. Outside are the pretty communal gardens, which provide the perfect space for relaxing with a drink in the summer. Ideal for a professional or a couple, this well-presented apartment also benefits from an allocated parking space and comes complete with a long lease of around 105 years.